Good morning, traders, and welcome to OptionsXO's London Session Daily Market Review for Wednesday, July 6th. For those who thought otherwise, it's not going to be a quiet summer. A global growth slowdown is underway with post-referendum data appearing. The referendum causing high volatility delayed major economic decisions, causing a slowdown in real estate, business, and policy. In the North Americas, U.S. indexes are feeling investor panic as risk aversion withdrew a total of almost 300 points from U.S. majors. U.S. factory orders declined. The Fed's Dudley hinted at a more stable U.S. economy with a cautious rate outlook, and losses in U.S. indexes are led by energy stocks, financial sector, and basic materials. The dollar reacted with gains on risk aversion, returning above the 96 mark Tuesday. The Canadian dollar felt some grinding downwards with energy and soft commodities lower alongside the Toronto Stock Exchange Index. Canadian 10-year yields were very low, under 1%. In Europe, the Bank of England's Mark Carney downgraded the near-term economic outlook, warning of less spending and near-term damage to business cycles. At the same time, he promised to pump £150 billion of credit into the British economy. Property investors who seek mid to long-term profit-taking are leaving the UK market. The pound lost 2% as near-term futures of the British economy look grimmer, along with a decline in the June Market Services PMI report. The Euro Stoxx 50 and the DAX both lost 67 and 234 points respectively, and the euro declined further, losing 0.5%. Moving on to Asian markets, in Australia, an increasingly unbalanced trade reading along with stationary rate policy by the Royal Bank caused the dollar further declines. The Nikkei saw more losses against a raised yen, caused by risk aversion trading patterns on global worries. The Korean Kospi was also down 5 points, and the Chinese Shenzhen index closed with further gains. In commodities highlights, oil continues to decline as the Saudi energy minister told the world that prices were expected to range on a halt in demand. Soft commodities and other energy stocks also declined over a poor growth outlook. Gold saw more gains, reaching $13.58, and silver also gained about 2%. Here are today's important economic events. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi is delivering a speech at 7 a.m. GMT just before going into a non-monetary policy meeting. At 7:30, Australia's Royal Bank Assistant Governor Devil will be speaking. Then at 12:30 p.m., the U.S. report May's trade balance, followed 2 hours later by June's market services and composite PMIs. At 6, we'll finally get the minutes to June's FOMC meeting, and at 11:30 tonight, Australia's AIG Performance and Construction Index. That was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.